This is Bogo 100 watts laser cleaning machine. Today we will open it and check it. They have one handle at the top and another handle at the side. The size like a luggage case. Here we can take up to the pull rod. Then move this laser cleaning machine easily. We can get in the pull rod after arrived at destination. This is the power cable interface and power on button beside. Here is the emergency button. You can stop it by press down. Let's put it down and open it. Now we open the case. The protective is very well. Now we can see the laser head and some other spare parts. This is the laser head. This is the protective glasses. We need to wear it when we do the laser cleaning work. This is the cable. This is one small lens. This one is a wireless operating handle. They have another cable. The cable is for recharge the operating handle. We can turn on the system and set parameters for cleaning. It's very simple and user-friendly. We can take off the laser cleaning head. They have one button beside the laser head. It's very light and easy to use. If you press the button, then we'll have the laser come out. So we do believe this laser cleaning machine will help a lot for your work.